You're allowed to cheer, okay? But you're also allowed to scream. 1, 2, 3, go!
Looking good!
The clock's ticking. You wait for nothing. It's going to get pretty big before it goes. Keep going. It's going to explode. Go.
Be brave. Be brave.
It's probably going to catch it. Jemima's in it, and look, she's intact. But yeah, it's getting big. The clock's going. I should have said it's actually quite exhausting. But look how big it's getting. It's going to go. It's really going to go. Keep going. Perfectly safe. As best we can tell, it's perfectly safe. Just you're in relatively no danger at all. Keep cheering. Although I just noticed I'm in absolute danger. But I'm not worried at all. How you feeling? I might just... Don't worry. Whoa! Well, oh, that was something. Well done. We're all set. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, look at the form. Look at the form. Get that tube away from me. Go! He's got some form happening here. I notice his ear's pretty close to the tube, but it's going to get a bit bigger first. I'm just going to move around here. Whoa, 24, 25, man, he is flying! You know how loud it's going to be, but don't you? It's coming. Don't slow down. It's coming. It's coming. It's going to be under the minute, but...